YouTube, what's good, y'all? Today, we got a special video. We got the waterfall tutorial, yes. How y'all doing though today? I hope y'all enjoyed them last videos. It's your host, Tap Scatty. Make sure to get to my IG, bro. We finna hit 1K. We just hit 900 followers on IG. Go get at me, man. And I hope y'all fucking with the home melts videos. I hope y'all like home melts as much as I like home melts. Dang, I gotta get another haircut video. Let me know if y'all want another haircut video. Today, we got the waterfall tutorial. Let me show y'all what the waterfall is. That's the waterfall, family. The waterfall, there's many different ways you can do it, but this first step, you want to inhale your vape, hold it in, do not breathe no air out, bro. That's gonna fuck everything up. And then step 2, you also you don't want to like spit it out. You want to just lift your head back like this. Like that. Why did Izzy just burn my eye? Oh, milk. I'm trying to get milky on him. So y'all see what I'm talking about. I didn't catch it all, but when you do a little overbite and lift your head up, you get the perfect waterfall, man. Look, I didn't catch it all, but y'all see the vision. There's multiple ways you can do the waterfall, but watch this way. The circle method. That's the circle method of, let's see if we can stutter it. I'm getting there, bro. What the lethal shooter do say, I understand it now. Almost. Where did that smoke from the back come from? Like what? So remember, y'all, first step, when you go to, if you've been watching the tutorial videos, you should obviously know how to ghost. So inhale that shit. Don't let it out like no normal ghost or not. You just flick your head back. It comes out. Have a little overbite. But don't wait too long to catch it, cause that shit gonna fly away. That shit will overexpand. So get the right amount. Come down on it. And let me know what other tutorials y'all want me to do, bro. Cause I'm here to practice too. I'm trying to become a legend, bro. I know I'm not the best ghoster, but I'm trying to become like Kung Fu Panda in the game. Like, he cold. You feel me? That's me testing the air and the Nizzy. I can't tap that shit. That shit tasted like diapers. Alright, y'all, my throat on fire. I can't stop coughing. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Love y'all, boys. I'm gonna catch y'all.